I received my African violets from Texas this morning. As you can see, the U.S. Postal Service believes fragile means used as a football. Dented pretty much all the way around, so we just hope it's packaged really nice. Let's see what's in there. The box isn't very big. There's supposed to be 8 plants in there. The box on the inside has a real soft material, so I'm sure it was able to take the beating that the Postal Service gave it. Well, let's see what we have. I should have Alamo Sunshine, 2 of them. I should have 2 Wrangler's Gunsmoke. I should have a Rose Bouquet. That's a Rose Bouquet right there. It's got a little tag on it. That's a real young plant, so it's not going to have much color at all on it. This looks like a Gunsmoke. Looks like a Gunsmoke. I should have a Pink Feathers. Then I should have just an offshoot of the Alamo Sunshine, and it could be, instead of white, this is Pink Feathers. Let's start opening and see what we have. The one will be an offshoot, so it will be, instead of white feathers, it'll have, I guess I would call it, instead of having white blooms, it'll have pink blooms, and it might have pink and white leaves on the same plant. Boy, that tape sure grabs that. Anyway, there's the Pink Feathers. This is the Alamo Sunshine, so it'll be white. White variegated with white blooms. Tape is sticking to everything. There you go. I think I better keep these stickers with them. Alrighty, so this will be another Alamo Sunshine. They got really pretty flowers on them. They'll be white. Packaged nicely so the soil cannot come out as the Postal Service threw that box around. Okay, so this would be that offshoot I was talking about. It has pinkish feathers, it has white variegated leaves and pink variegated leaves. I don't know if this is in the shot, but this will be where's my tag? There it is. Alamo Sunshine Sport. So it's not a pure, genetically pure. It's kind of will come up any way it wants to. Keep that with it. Because this other one over here kind of looks the same thing. It has pink and white on the leaves, but it does have a little pinkish hue. They're very young plants, very young plants. This one, I saw a picture of it, and I told Joe to just to throw it in. I wanted it. The picture of it was just awesome. Like I say, they're small plants, but it ought to be gorgeous when it gets bigger. It has a purple flower to go with the pink variegated leaves. I think I threw the tag away. I didn't order this one. Wrangler's Cowboy. Must be a substitute. Oh, look how pink it is. Wow. Well, that's all right to substitute that one. I wanted a pink. That is pink. Gorgeous, gorgeous flower. Leaves on that. Wasn't expecting that one. Wrangler's Cowboy Blues. I talked to her after I ordered these and kind of was discussing flower colors, and she might have just thrown that one substituted for a different one. I'll have to see what I end up with. This one's Alamo Sunshine. It'll be white variegated leaves with white flowers. Big white bloom back there, one underneath the leaf here. Keep these together. This one will be a Wrangler's Gunsmoke, so it should be paired up with this one right there. This one is, that's a sport. Pink feathers, that's what that is, pink feathers. So this will be off to the side. This one will be the same as that plant right there. Wrangler's Gunsmoke. Well packaged. The dirt can't come out no matter if it's upside down or not. The leaves are very well protected from being bent around the way it's put in here. Boy, that's just going to have to rip it apart. Very, very, very pink. That is dark, dark pink. Keep that one with that. And this is the Rose Bouquet. And seeing pictures on the internet of it, it should be very pretty too. Should be a gorgeous plant. That one, I need to keep track of that because I didn't order that one, but that is definitely one I would have ordered if I'd have saw it. Saw a picture of it. Very, very bright pink. This is a young one. It's got a lot of white to it, but it should turn pink. Rose Bouquet. Well, that tape is very good. There we go. Rose Bouquet. I didn't pay any attention to the camera. I was kind of excited what the plants were going to look like. So I hope some of that was in view. Let's look at them. Here's the Wrangler Gunsmoke Blues, and I think maybe the blues could be the flower that's going to be on it. Let's turn this so we see the flowers. This is the Alamo Sunshine. It's a white variegated leaf. That's a Wrangler, got my camera, Wrangler Oh, I needed to put that to the side. Yeah. I knew that was kind of pink feathers. My Rose Bouquet. It's supposed to be really pink, but right now it's got white on the leaves, but it's a very young plant, so you can change colors. But if it's white, that's okay. I think I'm liking white better than I do the pink. Except that one's just a vivid, vivid pink. That one leaf right there. And also this plant. This is the Alamo Sunshine Sport. It's got pink leaves and not white, but it looks like it has some white leaves down here, or white blooms. Yeah, there's a white bloom there. So it's got pink and white blooms and looks like pink and white variegated. This plant here, I just put on Facebook that I was receiving these plants, and I put pictures of them, and my sister-in-law called and said, well, I've got plants that you can have, and this is one of hers off a very pink plant, but these are old plants that this was a starting off of, so we have no idea what it is. And she gave me some more. They're out in the garage. I replanted them, and these are a little wilty right now because I just repotted them. Been out in the dark garage, just brought this one in. I'll bring the other ones in. Anyway, these come from Texas.